Shall I begin for the presentation, madam?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Sorry for the delay. रागादिरोगान् सुलतान् शक्तान् शेषिकाय पुष्टान् शेषान् औत्सुक्यमोहार्थिदाज्जगान यो पूर्ववैद्याय नमस्ते तस्मै. Yesterday we continued for the Kala Mrityu, Akala Mrityu, and sometime even there is a Niyata Kalika Ayu is there. Still we are doing some of the Chikitsa, like in a Jara Ushna Jalapaniya, we are giving it as it is in Shita Sadhya. For that one, he given explanations also. The next one, Bhavati Cha Atra, it's in a conclusion and convincing sentence in the form of the shlokas. Shitena Ushna Kritan Rogas Chamayanti Bishagvitaha, Etu Shita Krita Rogaha, Tesham Ushnam Bishagjitam. As we know, Shitena Ushna Kritan. Shitena Ushna Kritan Rogan Shamayanti. Ushnakritan rogan shitena shamayanti bishagvidaha. It's told by the bishagvidaha. Whoever the famous are there, whoever the practitioners are there, they called as bishagvidaha. They told it so. Yeto shitakrita rogaha tesham ushnam bishagjitam. Beshajena jit, that also one, bishak also vidaha. They also told it so. Like shitakritaha rogaha ushnena shamayanti. These are the rules. As per the Chakrapani, na kevalam jware eva shitoshna samattatpena bhedena ushna shitopacharaha. It's not only there in the presence of the jware, in the jwara conditions, shitoshna samattatva bhedena shita samudbhava, ushna shitopachara. That means shita ushnopachara, ushna shitopachara in that way. Kintu sarvatra eva vyadha evam ityaha. It not only here, it is in all the diseases. Kintu, but this one, sarvatra eva vyadha evam ityaha. It is in all the diseases, it will be applicable. Vishajaha cha te jnanavantascha iti vishagvitaha. Vishajaha cha te Jnanavantaha, Ayurjnanavantaha, Vaidya-jnanavantaha, they will be termed as Bishagvitaha. Yeah. Continuations of the next shloka. Evam itareshamapi vyadhinam nidhana vipareetam veshajam bhavati yatha apatarpanam nimittanam vyadhinam na antarena Purnam asti shantihi तथा पूर्णानिम एतानां व्याधीनां न अंतरेण अपतर्पणम पि च त्रिविधम लंघनम लंघनपाचनम दोषावशेषम च इति. See, again he making another clarifications for the chikitsa shita ushna kriya ushna shita kriya for that one tunda chikitsa or viparita chikitsa also. Evam itaresham api, even in the other conditions of the vyadhis also, etam itaresham vyadhinam api nidhana vipareetam beshajam bhavati. Not only in the ushna viparita shita kriya, shita viparita ushna kriya, even in the nidhana viparita beshajam api bhavati. Yatha apatarpana nimittanam vyadhinam na antarena purnam asti shantihi. See, when the apatarpana nimitta janya vyadhis are there, na, for them antarena puranam asti shantihi na. By doing a purana, that is a brahmana karma, it is not going to make the subsidations or a shanti of the apatarpana janya nimitta vyadhi. Tatha purana nimittana vyadhinam. Here purana they use for the brahmana only, tarpana only. Tatha purana nimittana vyadhinam na antarena apatarpanam. Where there is a purana nimitta vyadhis are there, na, they will be get subsided only with the help of the apatarpana only. Apatarpana nimitta vyadhis are only get shanti by the puranamasti. It is a pratidvanda chikitsa. It is like the extending of that chikitsa, like apatarpanam apicha trividam. Apatarpana will be the trivida. Langana pachanam doshavasechanam chaiti. So apatarpana chikitsa is a trivida. They are the langana pachanam doshavasechanam cha iti. Cha samuchya is that's why he used the cha at ante. When you are reading the samasana, langanam cha, langana pachanam cha, doshavasechanam cha, tayoho samahara, langana pachanam doshavasechanam cha iti. So this is in a way how they are samahara, tayoho samahara it is. Altogether they are the trivida yukta. Tatra langanam, where the langana is there na. This langanam alpabala doshanam. Where it is indicated langana, alpadoshanam langanam tatra in those trivida apatarpanana, langanam alpadoshanam. Where the alpadoshas are there, there you can do the langana chikitsa. Langana anena hi agnimavrta rudhya. Vata atapa paritam avalpam udakam alpo doshaha prashosham apadyate. See, here giving in a simile how the langana is there. Langana, how it make in a mode of action, how it works, how it make in a excels its work, executes its work, effect in the sharira. Langanena hi agni maruta rudhyaha. First condition, agni and maruta will be get the ruddhi by the langana. By that one, vata atapa parita, vata atapa paritam, iva eva alpam udakam alpo doshaha prashamopadyate. See, when the water is exposing to the vata and atapana, directly the air and even directly to the sunlight. Eva alpam udakam alpo doshaha prashosham apadyate. How the little amount of the water will be getting the shoshan, evaporating, it will reducing its quantity. Prashosham apadyate alpad udakam prashosham apadyate. Similarly, langanena alpadosham prashosham apadyate. They correlating this one, Agni and Maruta. Like Agni and Maruta, when it's seen it externally, it will be reducing the udaka in its quantity wise, very little amount. Similarly, by doing in a langana, it will increase the Agni and Maruta in the sharira. It will make the prashoshana of the doshas into the quantity wise, alpa dosha prashosham apadyate. Langana pachana eto madhyabala doshanam. Similarly, the langana pachana is told it is for the madhyabalakta doshanam. Where the doshas are madhyama bala is there, na? Madhya bala doshanam langana pachane tu nischayena. So similarly, langana pachanabhyam hi surya santapa marutabhyam pamshu bhasmava kiranaihi iva cha anatibahudakam madhyabalo doshaha prashosham apadyate. See, now it are clearing about the how the langana pachana is making the madhyabala doshana shamana. See, it's correlating with an example like langana pachanabhyam hi nischayena, how the langana and pachana are there na. Surya santapa marutabhyam. That telling it's a surya santapa and maruta. Previously they used the atapa. Atapa is different one. Different in the sense, anyway, atapa is coming from the surya itself. Like direct exposing to the sunlight and indirect exposing is there. Indirect exposing to the air, that is atapa. Directly the air, sunlights are falling on the water, that is surya santapa yukta. Directly. Surya santapa, even the marutabhyam, pamshu bhasmava kiranairiva cha anatibahudakam madhyabalo doshaha prashosham apadyate. See, if the water is kept over the pamshu and bhasmana, bhasmava kiranaihi, it is water is kept over the pamshu, and that with the bhasmava kiranaihi, stronger surya santapa is there means cha anati bahudakam. It will prashoshana of the ati bahudaka. Anati ishat adhika. Anati bahudakam doshah prashopamapadyate. Anati bahudakam prashoshamapadyate because of the surya santapabhyam pamsha bhasmavakiraniriva. Like they're telling that in Marubhumi, or the surya santapa is that there also same. Even in the some hillside, some plants will be there. In the coastal area also the same will be there. Difference is that the intensity of the presence of the surya santapa in the dry area, it's more stronger because of the even the it's including it enhancing the capacity of the surya santapa by maruta. Surya santapa marutabhyam pamsha bhasmava kiraneriva. That's why sunstroke is happening. It's sun waves that are telling it's because the too much of the wind flow is there. It's enhancing the quality of the surya santapa. Similarly here also it's making the langana pachanabhyam na, both when it is included it will make the bahu dosha prashosham apadyate when you used it as a chikitsa. Bahudoshanam punardosha avasechanam eva karyam. So bahudosha, when it's too much of doshas are there, not too much in the sense bahudosha, unable to make the langana pachana both. That time it is bahudosha. It's not a fixed criteria. Usually when the dosha present in the sharira, it is unable to make the prashoshana by langana, even for the langana pachana, then it considered as a bahudosha yukta. So in that condition, punaha doshavasechanam eva karyam. Doshavasechanam eva karyam bahudoshanam punaha. Punaha means once again it is an indicated one. Wherever the punaha word is used, it's stressed. It's given much more importance for in a statement. Bahudoshanam punaha doshavasechanam eva karyam. There is no any alternate other way to reduce the bahudosha conditions. It's only one, that is doshavasechanam eva. That is a shodhana of the doshas only. Na hi abhinne kedara seto palvala praseka asti tad doshavasechanat. See. Na hi abhinne kedara seto palvala praseko asti. If you want to empty the whole tank, or maybe the nahi bhinne kedara seto. Kedara seto means where the water is stored and it is used for with the canals, that called as kedara seto. That setu is in a bridge. Palvala praseko asti. If you want to remove all the water, means it should be break it. It have to remove it. One. Otherwise, if there is a cracks in that bridge, either you have to break completely or you have to vacate the whole previous back of the water. So this is only solutions. Similarly here also praseko asti. Palvala praseko asti. Later we'll see when the commentator comes with the Chakrapani opinion. Okay. So this is an example given. Kedaro seto palvala praseko asti. Na hi bhinno. There is no any other alternate way. Tad doshavasechanam. So it's here also. Tad dosha avasechanam. Similarly, how to do dosha avasechana also. This is the only way to treat the dosha in the bahudosha conditions. When we look at the Chakrapani commentary, na kevalam shitoshna samuttayoho eva param hetu vipariyena chikitsa. See, shitoshna samuttayor eva param hetu vipariyena chikitsa. Na kevalam shitoshna samuttana vyadhi, even it also there with the hetu vipariya chikitsa also. Hetu vipariya chikitsa is also there to do the chikitsa for the any variety of the diseases also, not only with the shita ushna samuttayukta. Kinvatva apatarpanadi che api hetu viparitena ityaha evam ityadi. So not only the shita ushna samuttana, hetu vipariya is there. When we are doing that also, it comes same thing also. Kintu apatarpanadi je api hetu viparitena ityaha even in the treatment of the apatarpanajanya vyadhi also done by the tarpanenana, santarpanenava, that is also comes hetu viparita only. Like in apatarpana, santarpanabhyam cha sarvam chikisitam grahitam. So all the treatments are present in only two way. Apatarpanajanya vyadhi will make the santarpana, santarpanajanya vyadhi will make by the apatarpana. Only two methodologies there. Nahi apatarpana santarpanabhyam vina anyat vina antaram asti chikitsayah. Leaving these two any other way, there is no presence. Nahi apatarpana santarpanabhyam both two vina apatarpana vina santarpana anyat vidhana antaram asti chikitsayah na anyat vina अन्यत् विनांतर अस्ति चिकित्सायाः अन्यतर चिकित्सा न अस्ति येन सर्वम् एवोपक्रमाः. So in this way all the chikitsa only in this way only. Santarpana apatarpana bheda evaya, only methodologies to santarpana apatarpana eva. अथ एव विशेष ज्ञानार्थम apatarpana bhedan aha apatarpanam ityadi. So that's why he made the special concentrations towards the apatarpana and santarpana. That's why I told it's vishesha jnanartham. What is that vishesha jnana? Here apatarpana vishesha jnanartham apatarpana beda, he told it's apatarpanam ityado. Next one is langana pachanam iti vachanena yatra pachanam kriyate tatra avashyam stoka matraya langanam api kriyat iti darshayati. See, where we are doing in langana pachanamiti vachanena, langana pachana, from that word itself, yatra pachanam kriyate, there we are doing in a pachana kriya. Tatra avashyam stoka matraya langanam api kriyat iti darshayati. Where they told na langana pachana. In pachana also, in pachana word itself is having the stoka matra. Stoka means less, alpayukta, stokena, stoka pramana, in that way. Langanam api kriyat iti darshayati. So langana is also doing there also. That is also presence in there. That is showing there. Pachana kalehi yadi brahmanam kriyate. See, that means apatarpana only. When we are doing in a langana pachana, we are doing in a apatarpana also. Pachana kalehi yadi brahmanam kriyate tada brahmana agnehe pratikulena pachanam na syat iti artha. See, pachana kale, when you are doing in a pachana kale, yadi brahmanam kriyate, instead of doing in a pachana, directly we are doing in a brahmana karma. Pachana kale, that time if you are doing in a brahmana karma, tada brahmana agnehe pratikulena pachanam na syadityartha. Because of that brahmana, agni won't make the pratikulena to do the pachana karma. That's why there is no pachana karma when you are doing a brahmana karma, during in a pachana kala. अविकिरणैर इव इत्यत्र इव शब्दो अनतिबहूदकम् इव इति एवं रूपो ज्ञेयः. अविकिरणैः इव इत्यर्थ means इव शब्दो अनतिबहूदक, little bit more of the water, that much only. अन्येत्वेति लंगनादि ब्रह्मनादि च अन्येत्वेति word is used, it is for the langanadi and brahmanadi, those words. Continuation to the next one. So langana is over, langana pachana is the doshavashechana is explained one. Doshavashechanam anyatva besham prapta kalam api aturasya na evam vidasya kuryat. See, one explanation, clarification is telling about that one. Doshavashechanam anyatva beshajam doshavashechanam प्राप्तकालम अपि आतुरस्य न एवं विधस्य कुर्यात्. In this way, you should not do that doshavasechana. Anyadva beshajam praptam. Little bit confusion is there in this sentence for our understanding, but author is clear one. Doshavasechanam anyadva beshajam praptam. Beshajam praptam anyadva. Until and unless you are making that one, doshavasechana. If you did aturasya na evam vidasya kuryat. Evam vidasya kuryat prapta beshajam eva. प्राप्त बेशजम एवं विदस्य कुर्यात् प्राप्त कालम अपि आतुरस्य दोषावशेषण कुर्यात् दोष प्राप्त काल बेशजम प्राप्त काल both should be there, then only it is possible, otherwise don't do that. तद्यथा अनपवाद प्रतीकारस्यात् धनस्य परिचारकस्य वैद्यमानिनः छन्दस्य असूयकस्य तीव्रा अधर्म अरुचेः अतिक्षीण बलमांस शोणितस्य साध्यरोगोपहतस्य मुमूर्षु लिङ्गान्वितस्य च इति एवंविधं हि आतुरम् उपचरन् विषक् पापीयसा अयशसा योगमृच्छत् इति. See, dosavashechana, when it told na, it's only done during the Beshaja Praptakala and even the in Atura Praptakala when for the Dosha Praptakala. Otherwise, don't do this one. Where don't do the tadhita, like in Anapavada Pratikara Asadhya Pratikarasya Adhanasya Aparicharakasya. Where there is a Anapavada is not there and there is no any Pratikara is also there. A sadhanayukta and no paricharaka is there. For there also should not do it. Pratikarasya, adhanasya should not having the money also in that condition. Vaidyamanina, they are a Vaidyadvishta. Vaidya Abhimani is different. Vaidyamanina means they are not liking the doctors for them also. Chanda is there, Asuyaka is there, Tivra Adharmi is there, Aruchehe. It's not having the ruchi in a living purpose. Yeah. Vaidyamanina, he is abusing or hating the doctors, those one. And Chanda, Asuyaka, Tivra Adharma, Aruchehe, Titi Ati Kshina Balayukta, Tivra Adharma and Aruche. Aruche means he is not liking to live that also. And Ati Kshina Balamamsayukta Shonita, Tasya Asadhya Roga, if the person is having the Asadhya Roga also. In that condition, should not do the. And Mumurshur Linganvitasya Chaiti. Mumursha means sometime it's a Marana Sanna Lingas, those also. Mumurshur Linganvitasya Chaiti. Evam Vidam Hi Aturam Upacharan Vishak Papiyasa Ayasasa Yoga Mruchati. If suppose Is it visible, doctor?
Yes, sir, it is visible, sir.
Okay. तीव्र अधर्म अरुचेः प्रतिक्रिया अधर्मो भवति. So otherwise the patient himself is a तीव्र अधर्म रुचे. He have a desire to do the adharma, that to the more intense, and pratikriyayam adharmo bhavati. Otherwise, if you're doing a chikitsa, then it is becoming like in a pratikriyaya adharma. In a pratikriya, in chikitsa itself, it has become like an adharma means then also. Nacha chikitsa siddhyati adharma pratibandhat. For those people should not do the chikitsa itself. तीव्राधर्मरुचेः अतीक्ष्णबलमांसशोणितस्य असाध्यरोगोपहतस्य मुमूर्षुः लिङ्गान्वितस्य he is having the maranasanna lakshana. In those conditions also should not do the chikitsa. That means doshavashechana should not do that one. एवं विधम ही आतुरम उपचरण विषक पापी यसा अयशसा योगम रुच्यति. In this way, if you did the chikitsa for those such a variety of the patients, doshavashechana if you did means definitely aturam upacharan bishak papi yasa ayasasa, like a papa yukta person, how he getting the papa na? Similarly here the doctor will get the ayashasu and yoga bhakshati. This is a yoga when you're treating those patients. This is a simple yoga. Ayashas will come it directly. Seeing an Ayurvedic commentary, Anapavada pratikaro Vacha pratikaraha. Anapavada pratikara means Vacha pratikara. Vacha means what you told about to that one, they are getting arguments. Those ones, they are not accepting. That is Vacha pratikaraha. They are denying these words, or doctor's words to those patients. अधनस्य अनुपकरणत्वेन न चिकित्सा पर्यायते कर्तुमित्यर्थः. Why they're telling it's adhanasya anupakaranattvena? Adhana means it's very difficult to purchase the medications, etc. To make the availability for the chikitsa during the procedure, so that's what should not do for them when they are not having the adhana, when they are having the conditions adhanayukta. And even the chikitsa parite kartumityatra anupakarana. When doctor himself or in the arrangement of the Panchakarma setup or in the Rugnalaya, if there is a lacuna is there for the Upakarana, then also should not do the Chikitsa. Vaidyamanini Durabhimanat Vaidyopadesham Akaroti. Vaidyamani means Durabhimana, the persons who have the Durabhimana, and Vaidyopadesham. Durabhimana where in a Vaidya Upadesha, not for the person they told it, sir. Over the signs only, if they are having any durabhimana, then should not do the chikitsa for them also. Na karoti. Upadesham abhimanam na karoti. Vaidyopadesham na abhimanam karoti. Those are, that is called as a Vaidyamani. Trivra adharma ruchehe pratikriyaya adharmo bhavati. So if you are doing a Trivra adharma there, if you are doing that one, there also it becomes like a pratikriya in case the adharma will comes in during the pratikriya itself. Presently, we are talking about the legal, illegal cases now. If suppose patients comes with the accidental, suddenly if you touch that patient, if you're treating also in human nature, it is a doctor tendency to do that one. But it will become like adharma, even for us also. It's a medical case, should inform the first, then you can do the, while proceeding itself, you can do the information. So that is pratikriya adharmo bhavati. Nacha chikitsa siddhyati adharma pratibandhat. Why it is not getting successful? Because of the adharma pratibandhat. It is attached with the pratibandha, adharma yukta. So that's why it won't get the success. Treatment won't get the success. मुमूर्षुलिङ्गान्वितस्य इति अरिष्टयुक्तस्य मरणासन्न लक्षण अरिष्टयुक्तस्य पापीयस्य इति पापहेतुना पापीयसा इति papiyasa means who are having the papayukta for them. Papa janakena ayasasa. It's 100%. Because of the papotpatti, always there is a ayashas will be there. Yeah. So wherever the word comes na bhavati cha atra, it's in a summary. Again, in the shloka form, padya form it is. तथात्वे च अनुबन्धे वा यस्य स्यात् अशुभं फलं कर्मणाः तत् न कर्तव्यम् एतद् बुद्धिमतां मतम्. अल्पोदकद्रुमो यस्तुः यः तु प्रवातः प्रचुरातपाः ज्ञेयः सः जाङ्गमो देशः स्वल्प रोगं रोगतमो अपि च प्रचुर उदकवृक्षो यो निवाते दुर्बल भातपाः अनूपो बहुदोषश्च समः साधारणो मताः. See, now we're talking about the Vayu Udaka Deshana. Now it comes Desha. Tadhatve cha anubhande va yasya syat ashubham phalam. Sometime it's na ashubha phala will be occurring tadhatve when it comes anubandha. Otherwise, yasya syat ashubham phalam. Otherwise, where ashubha phala itself is coming, that one. Karmanaha tat na. Karmanaha tat na. What the karma we are doing now? In bracket is telling about the desha. In above side, it is a continuation of the previous dosha avashechana also, and where it should not do the chikitsa related to that one. Tadatme in that condition cha anubandeva. When it's anubandha yukta sadyasya sya ashubham phalam. Ashubha phala is already with them for there also. Karmanaha na tat kartavyam. If a patient is already having the ashubha phala yukta, then also should not do. Or a patient is already having the ashubha anubandha, there also should not do the kartavya, kriya kartavya. Karmanaha na tat kartavyam. Etad buddhimatam matam. So this is told by the buddhimata who are having the good buddhi. In the Bishajam, they told it, so don't do the chikitsa where the patient is already got the anubandha of the ashubha phala. Ashubha phala will be, that's why should not do it one. In bracket, it's a quotation actually found in some of the manuscripts. They are separated one in the brackets. Some of the manuscripts of the Charaka Samhita, it's have these shlokas. So, Alpodakadrumo yastu pravatah prachuravaatapaha neyaha sa jangalo deshaha. Jangalo deshaha lakshanaha. Alpa udaka drumo yaha tu pravatah prakarshena vata will be there. Prachura atapa, more atapa will be there. Neyaha, this will be yet understood that one. It is a Jangala Deshaha. Swalpa roga tamo apicha. Even there is a indicated that there is no much more disease. Swalpa roga tama. In Tartama Bhava, that told Swalpa roga tama. Prachurodaka ruksho yo nivate durbhala bhatapaha. See, Prachura udaka is there. Prakarshena udaka is there. Bahu ruksha. Udaka ruksho. Prachura ruksho. Prachura udaka is there. Yo nivate. There is no any movements of the vata is there. Nivato. Durbhala bhatapaha. Durlabha atapaha. So there is difficult to get the sunlight. That also is present. Anupo bahudoshascha. That place is called as Anupa. Anupo bahudoshascha. It's a bahudoshikta. Yoga, they told it's in the Jangala Desha. Jangala Desha, they never told it's a dosha as a Salpa. Salpa rogatama picha, they told it's. But here it's related to the dosha, it's a bahudoshascha. Why the author is not used the dosha in while explaining the Jangala means Marubhumi Arogya Nam Sreshta, it is there. But not the Jangala Desha Marubhumi. Some extent it's relating to those one. But here particularly author is used Swalpa rogatamo in the Jangala, Bahu doshaha in Anupaha. Samaha sadharane vataha. Sama desha is there, sadharana desha. There it's sama will be there. It is opinion, it is a mataha. So while seeing the commentator, Anubhande veti uttara kalam. Anubhanda means in uttara kala, after that one. If after that one the ashubha phala is there means for the patient, definitely don't do the chikitsa. So kechid alpodakadrumo ityadi grantha Jangaladi desha lakshanam atra patanti. Kechid alpodakadrumo, they told now. So esme ityadi is Jangala desha lakshanas only. Yeah. Tatra shlokaha. It is in a total summary of the whole Janapada Dvamsaniya Vimani Adhyaya. Wherever comes Tatra shloka, it's a summary na. So it's the last summary of the whole chapter. Pururupani samanya hetavaha swalakshanaha deshodvamsasya vaishachyam hetunam moolamevacha pragvikara samutpattir ayushascha kshayakramaha maradam prati bhutanam kala vinishchayaha यथा च अकालमरणं यथा युक्तं च भेषजं सिद्धि यात्यौषधम् येषां न कुर्यात् तेन हेतुना तदात्रेय अग्निवेशाय निखिलं सर्वमुक्तवान् देशोध्वंस निमित्तीये विमाने मुनिसत्तमाः इत्यग्निवेशकृते तन्त्रे चरकप्रतिसंस्कृते विमानस्थाने जनपदध्वंसनीय विमानं नाम तृतीयो अध्यायः. So this is a total summary about the whole Janapadadvamsa third chapter. Tatra shlokaha. In these shlokas, Pururupani samanya hetavaha swa-lakshanaha. So Pururupa he told about the Janapadadvamsa and Samanya hetu he told it, sir, that with swa-lakshanahi, like a Vata lakshana, Desha lakshana, Udaka lakshana, and even for the Kala lakshanaha. देशोध्वंसस्य पूर्वरूपाणि देशोध्वंसस्य सामान्यहेतवः देशोध्वंसस्य स्वलक्षणाः. Even देशोध्वंसस्य भेषजं हेतुना मूलमेव च. भेषज also told it. And even for the हेतूनां देशोध्वंसस्य हेतूनां and देशोध्वंसस्य हेतूनां मूल also told it. So प्राग विकार समुत्पत्तिर आयुषाः क्षयक्रमाः. प्राग विकार समुत्पत्ति, before occurring the vikaras only, प्राक before विकार समुत्पत्तिः आयुषाः क्षयक्रमाः. आयुष क्षयक्रम as per the yuga, as per the roga also he told it. So मरणं प्रति भूतानां कालाकाल विनिश्चयाः. भूतानां मरणं प्रति. So bhutas are getting the marana, that also told in the kalakala vinishchayena. How to make the clarifications, identifications, finding the kala mrityu akala mrityu bhutanam maranam yatha cha kala maranam yatha yuktam cha beshajam. He also told for the akala maranam yatha yuktam cha beshajam. In akala marana what all the medication should be used, it that also he mentioned it. Siddhim yatyaushadam besham na kuryat tena hetuna. So siddhi, how to get the victory over the chikitsa, that also he told it, sir. Like siddhi yanti aushadam esham na kuryat, which all that to do it, which all not to do it, that also told it. So with hetu, with reasoning also. Tatra atreyo agniveshaya nikhilam sarvamuktavan. So tad atreya, this one told atreya to the agnivesha nikhilam sarvamuktam. So two words are there, nikhilam and sarvam. Nikhilam in Sampurna, Sarva is also giving the same meaning. Why he used twice a time? Nikhilam Sarvam Muktavan. That is needed, na? See, while purchasing the second-hand vehicles, now simply giving in money, taking whether it is in a completeness about the transferring of the vehicles, no. It is just handovering about the vehicles only, not all the documents. Na? That time only handovering the vehicle with the Vyavaharana, that is Sarvam. If you are handovering all the documents as properly legally, then it is called as Nikhilam. So in this way, here Atreya, he has transferred, he given all the knowledge related with the Janapadadvamsa. Nikhilam Sarvam Uktavan. Sampurnena Sarvam Uktavan. In that way, that's it's a specific words is used by the Charaka. Deshodvamsa nimittiye vimane munisattamaha. So Deshodvamsa nimittiye vimane. In this kind of particular chapter, he told about all the things which are included one Sarvam Uktavan Nikhilena. In that way. Munisattamaha is a Shrestha Muni, that he told it. So Munisattamaha. So this is a completion. Ityaknivesha krite tantre charaka pratisanskrite vimanasthane janapadadvamsaniya vimanam nam tritiyo adhyayaha. So how we are starting the first line, similarly should end with the last line also. Should not leave the last line without the saying a pronunciation also. Should pronounce it, tell it. So when saying the commentator, Sangrahe Pururupani Nakshatradi Vikaraha. Sangrahe, he told, it's in Sangrahe, it's a collection of the summary. From the Pururupani Nakshatradi Vikaraha. When he started the Nakshatradina, in the starting shloka only, that all are told with the summary. That is in the Sangraha. Sa Swalakshanaha विकृति लक्षणाः स्वलक्षणा विचार स्वविकृति लक्षण तच्च लक्षणं तत्र वातम् एवं विध इत्यादिना प्रोक्तम् तत् च लक्षणं they told na tat cha means vatam evam vidam udakam evam vidam desham evam vidam kalam evam vidam that all are told it's there yatha yuktam cha beshnam siddhi yati iti as per the medications he told na those are getting the successful in when it is used at proper conditions proper way anena ushna paniyad anopatya sarvam sangritam Besham siddhi yatha yuktam they told na it is told in the while explaining the with example like in jvara ushna paniyam etc those are told it's apatarpana santarpana all are told so iti shri chakrapani datta virachitayam charaka tatparya tikayam ayurveda deepikayam vimanasthane janapadadhamsa niya vimanam nama tritiyo adhyayah it's clearly indicated that chakrapani datta virachita it's a commentary written by the chakrapani datta Charaka Tatparya Tika. See, Ayurveda Deepika, we know that one generally. What about the Charaka Tatparya Tika Yam? So, Chakrapani followed not only the Charaka, he also followed the Charaka Tatparya Tika. Over that one, he wrote the Ayurveda Deepikaya Vimanasthane. So he followed the another tika also, Charaka Tatparya Tika also. Charaka Tatparya Tika. Sometimes it's telling that it is also a commentator by the same commentator. No, himself he telling na Charaka Tatparya Tika Yam. Over that one, Charaka Tatparya Tika Yam means here Charaka whether it Charaka Tika or maybe some other else is there that has to be analyzed it. So these are the few extraordinary points will be there where you should be get to focused it to be find out what the actual meanings are present, how can we apply those on. So one more important in this one Janapada Dvamsa, they told it's generally what all the Janapada Dvamsas are there, 4 causative factors are there and how to mitigate those four causative factors to not to get the diseases one and second one should not get the akala mrityu. For that one what all the mitigable format methodology chikitsa that also told it so. And finally what do we needed, each of the factors should be get applied in the chikitsa, finding the diseases should be applied ourselves also, tell to the other patients also. This is actually intention. In each of the line there is an importance is there to be applicable in the chikitsa itself. Shall I continue, madam, or finish it, madam?
Sir, there is another session scheduled, sir. You can finish it.
Yes, madam, please.
5 to 10
Actually, it's finished, madam.
yes,
No, madam, it's already finished.
It's already finished. Okay, sir.
Yeah, okay.
So you need extra 5 more minutes, sir?
No, madam. Just I wind up with the shloka. That's it.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. Thank you, madam. Ragadirogan Sultanashaktan Asheshakaya Prasthana Sheshan Autsukya Moha Ratidanjigana Yopura Vaithai Namaste Tasmai.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, madam.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.